Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to listen to a story that will inspire you and help you improve your English. It is the story of Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest football players in the world. As you listen, pay attention to the words and sentences. This will help you practice your English listening skills while learning about Ronaldo's incredible journey. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Some stories are about talent, some are about hard work, but the best stories are about overcoming struggles. Cristiano Ronaldo's life is one of those stories, a journey from a small boy on a Portuguese island to one of the greatest football players the world has ever seen. But his journey was far from easy. Let me tell you about the boy who turned his struggles into success and became an inspiration for millions around the world. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985. On the small island of Madeira in Portugal. His full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. His father, José Deni Aveiro, worked as a gardener, and his mother, Maria Dolores, was a cook and cleaner. Life was tough, and money was always tight, but Ronaldo's family was close and supportive. From a very young age, Ronaldo loved football. He would play for hours on the streets of Madeira, often using anything he could find as a ball. His passion for football was clear, and his family encouraged him, even when life was hard. However, Ronaldo's childhood was filled with challenges. His father struggled with alcohol addiction, which caused many difficulties for the family. Despite this, Ronaldo never gave up on his dreams. He used football as a way to escape from his troubles and focus on a brighter future. At the age of 12, Ronaldo made a life-changing decision. He left his home and family to join the football academy of Sporting Lisbon, a famous football club in Portugal. It was a difficult move. He was young, lonely, and homesick, but he knew this was his chance to pursue his dream. Ronaldo faced many challenges at the academy. He was teased by other boys because of his Madeiran accent, and some even called him names. But instead of letting this bring him down, he worked harder than anyone else. He practiced every day, improving his skills and becoming faster, stronger, and better. When Ronaldo was 15, doctors discovered he had a heart condition that could have ended his football career. He needed surgery, and the future seemed uncertain. But Ronaldo and his family were determined not to give up. The surgery was successful, and just a few months later he was back on the field, playing better than ever. His incredible talent didn't go unnoticed. At the age of 16, Ronaldo played his first professional match for Sporting Lisbon. His skills amazed everyone. He was fast, powerful, and had incredible footwork. He quickly became one of the most talked-about young players in Portugal. In 2003, something extraordinary happened. During a friendly match between Sporting Lisbon and Manchester United, Ronaldo played so well that the Manchester United players asked their coach, Sir Alex Ferguson, to sign him immediately. And that's exactly what happened. Ronaldo moved to England, joining Manchester United at just 18 years old. He faced new challenges, adjusting to a different culture, learning a new language, and dealing with intense pressure. But, as always, he stayed focused and worked harder than anyone else. During his time at Manchester United, Ronaldo became a global star. He helped the team win multiple championships, including the UEFA Champions League. He won his first Ballon d'Or, the award given to the best football player in the world, in 2008. But Ronaldo's journey didn't stop there. In 2009, he made a record-breaking move to Real Madrid, one of the biggest football clubs in the world. At Real Madrid, he achieved legendary status. He became the club's all-time leading scorer, winning numerous titles and breaking countless records. Even with all his success, Ronaldo continued to face challenges. He dealt with injuries, intense media scrutiny, and personal struggles, but he never let these obstacles stop him. He kept training, kept improving, and kept winning. In 2018, Ronaldo made another big move, this time to Juventus in Italy. Once again, he proved his greatness by leading the team to multiple league titles. And in 2021, he returned to Manchester United, coming full circle in his incredible career. Beyond football, Ronaldo's known for his generosity and compassion. He has donated millions to charities, funded hospitals, and helped children in need around the world. Despite his fame and fortune, he has remained dedicated to helping others. Cristiano Ronaldo's story is about more than football. It's about resilience, determination, and never giving up. He teaches us that no matter where you come from or how hard life gets, you can achieve greatness through hard work, passion, and belief in yourself. As we come to the end of Ronaldo's inspiring journey, let's remember the lessons his story teaches us. Never give up, work hard, and believe in your dreams. No matter what challenges you face, you can overcome them and achieve greatness. Thank you for listening to Cristiano Ronaldo's incredible story. Keep practicing your English, keep chasing your dreams, and remember, you have the power to create your own success story. See you next time.